Hello guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. Guys, in this video I will show you how to complete Last War Survival Frontline Breakthrough level 40 step by step with slow motion. I will break it down for you guys. So watch it clearly so you can complete it very easily and earlier. Okay, so watch and do as I am showing you. So first have to complete the first person, then 3 counts, then complete AKM, then go for this flamethrower mason. After that go for this vehicle, and you have to wait to pass this barrier and scroll down here left side, wait till it remains 5 to 8 count, and then slowly go here and you can get AKM, and then the first flamethrower and then second flamethrower. After the second and first flamethrower you can get this mega flamethrower, and scroll down right and you will get this machine gun and 2 soldiers. After that scroll down to right and get 2 soldiers and this Captain Monica, and after that you will get the zombies killed by flamethrower and all the weapons and soldiers very easily. You can see the damage is very good by this. You can clear by taking 2 flamethrowers, or you can complete the level. So you have to take the 2 flamethrowers or else you will not complete this level. So I will make it fast now. You can see the level is now completed. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more content like this.